We're at one of our clients' rooms and we have been called here to disinfect the room. So that is why we're here. Interworld Cleaning is going to disinfect the whole thing. We're not applying a Prevent X at this time. We're only doing the disinfecting services, which kills any potential virus, bacteria, and microorganism upon contact. We're going to literally hit every surface. That is the goal here. We're misting the entire room. And the goal here is to hit every single surface, literally every single faucet, light switch, anything that a potential sick person could have touched or can touch. So the most important thing for the techs, for the staff, is to wear personal protective equipment, of course. Face mask, glasses, coveralls. And as far as the service, when we are done misting the room, we will go manually and check. So we'll let the chemical to settle for several minutes so it actually is disinfectant because it kills upon contact. After finishing disinfecting services, we go and literally hit any area that we could have missed during the initial misting process, just in case, especially light switches and doorknobs. By the reflection, you can see the misted chemical, and it has already settled over here, but you can already see it. It's still wet, because what's important is to leave enough droplets for it. You don't want the chemical to dry out too soon, too fast, before it's actually able to kill the targeted bacteria. When it's a little too much, then we actually wipe them off manually. But we're literally hitting every area, and as you can see, the handles, doorknobs, everything is covered, and it has been several minutes since we left this room. This is a pre-final stage, applying the disinfectant properly to the surfaces that weren't hit. And after, we are going to hit the TVs and the mirrors so they don't look streaky for the customer when we leave the client's facility. Kitchen is very important, so faucets or any other surfaces, or literally every surface in the kitchen, is very important that it's hit properly.